everybody, it's Emily, and so today's video is going to be a review video, and I'm going to be reviewing Unzzy store. I sent a few of their products for me to review, so that is what I'm going to be doing today. I look completely different because I forgot to film an intro to this video, so yeah, let's just go ahead and get into this video. So here is the package that they sent me. I have not opened this yet, so you're gonna get my first reaction to everything live. Also, I just want to say that I just filmed a whole video and I'm so out of breath, so I'm sorry about that. I'm going to try my best to keep going. So okay, the packaging already looks super cute. They actually sent me a bunch of stuff, so I'm super excited about that. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and let's go ahead and do the clothing first. Okay, so this is the first thing. Okay, so this is a skirt. Ooh, this is super cute. It's like a corset type of skirt, and it just looks like that. Super cute, super like lightweight, which I personally like. So yeah, it just looks like that. I will be trying this stuff on for you guys. So that is what that looks like. I can't remember how much this stuff retails for, but I will put everything down below in the description if you're interested in any of these things. But this is super cute and gothy. They have a bunch of different styles on their website. They're an Asian fashion store, so yeah, but they also do have a bunch of different categories. They have like kawaii, streetwear, street style, punk, goth. They have all types of stuff, so if you guys have different aesthetics, I'm pretty sure you can find one thing on there that you like. I saw a bunch of stuff, and I actually want to get more stuff from them in the future. I did see a couple more things that I wanted. Yeah, so that is super cute. Okay, we'll go ahead and go into this one next. So I can't even remember what I ordered. Oh my god, this is so cute. Okay, so it's like this prairie type of dress, but it's black, which you guys know my favorite color. But it's like an off the shoulder dress, and it's just like supposed to be like, yeah, prairie type style. And it also has like a sheer, not sheer, but like I don't know what to call this material, but this is like cloth, and then there's like a different material in the middle, and it has like this super cute ruffle detailing here, which I love so much. And then it also has the corset detailing at the front. Again, I love corset detailing. That's super cute. Cannot wait to do a look with that. Okay, so this is a flannel shirt, I believe. It's super cute. I thought it was more of like a black. I didn't know that it had blue in it, and yeah, I didn't know that it had blue in it. But it is a like oversized flannel shirt thing. I thought this would be cute for a grunge look in the fall. So yeah, super cute and very lightweight, so I would also wear this in the summer, but that's up to you. Okay, last clothing item here. So we have these pants, and I'm not sure this is gonna actually fit me because the sizing was, I think they only had medium, but I really wanted these, so I went ahead and got them. I think they'll actually end up fitting me. But they are these overalls. Now they look kind of big because like the straps are, you know, way up there, but I'm pretty sure I can adjust the straps and I'll be able to wear them. But yeah, I just thought they were like really cool, really unique. And I don't have any like overall jumpsuit type things, so these are really cool. And I think those were under streetwear, so they're more like streetwear style if you guys are interested. So lastly, we have wigs, and I'm super excited about these because I actually got some colored wigs this time, and I've never had colored wigs, so I'm super excited to try these out. Actually, I'm gonna open the red one up. So this is a red wig. So this red wig is short and it also has bangs. Oh, it's super cute. I've never like had colored hair, so I don't know what to expect, how I'm gonna look with these. But yeah, it's just a cute little wig. Super cute and fun to do looks with. And then it has bangs, and I will show you guys what this looks like on in a second, but it's just super bright and red, very like Ariel color. Okay, so this is what the red wig looks like on. Now this wig is a little bit on the thinner side, so it would be more for like taking pictures and like videos. It's very tight on me. It's like really small. And it's a little bit, like I said, on the thinner side. I can't tell if I look good or not, so you guys let me know. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Super short, super cute. The bangs might need to be cut a little bit, but that's not a big problem. What I really like is that they give you a little wig cap, so that's always good. And I think there's a wig cap in every single one of these, so yeah. So next wig is green. This is a really long green wig. Ooh, this one's really nice, actually. Okay. It's so pretty. It's like so curly at the end. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Okay, so this is a green wig. Again, it has bangs, which I think is super cute and fun. But yeah, it's almost like a Beetlejuice color. Hair is so pretty, so like full and very soft. And then also, I think in every single one of their wigs they have like this adjustable strap type thing, and it also has like, not even really sure what this is called, but like the scalp in the middle. But yeah, so there's that one. Last wig here. To be honest, this is my favorite wig out of all of them. I just like that it's like super curly and just really pretty. It looks like really, it looks pretty natural to me. So yeah, I would like definitely wear this out. Like I said, it looks pretty natural. It's yeah, just a really, really pretty wig. I think I'm just a sucker for like curly wigs in general. So yeah, but that is what it looks like. It's super like I said, very curly and voluminous. So yeah, also super excited about this one. Okay, this one is super fun. Okay, so we have this split dye wig, and this one is a straight wig. Now this is actually like a really dark brown. I thought it was black, but it's okay. It's still a really cool wig, and really cool, fun wig to do looks with. Again, we have the adjustable straps on the inside and the little scalp here in the middle, and this one also has bangs. So yeah, I will show you guys what these wigs look like. This is what this split wig looks like. The thing about this wig is that some of the gray got into the black, so like yeah, but I'm pretty sure you could just fix that. But yeah, this is super pretty, super long. You definitely can, I think you definitely can wear this one like as a wig. Like you don't have to really worry about it. It's on the medium full side. I don't know how to put on wigs really well, so like don't judge me on that, but yeah, it's a really pretty wig. It's like probably goes to like my waist, and I'm like 5'4", so that's pretty much how long it is. So they do have a bunch of clothing. They also have shoes, accessories, wigs, all type of stuff on their website. If you guys want to go check them out, I will leave everything down below. You can also go check them out on Instagram. I am so thankful that they reached out to me to send me some products to review. Everything is really nice and really cute and trendy, so if you guys are into trendy stuff, go check them out. And they have a huge selection of wigs, and their wigs are really nice quality, so I'm sure you guys will like that. And their website is not too expensive, so yeah. And you can also use my discount code to get 10% off. I think it's Heavenly. I will leave it down description. Again, everything will be in the description, so you guys can check it out. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.